I'm gonna be sick.
Me too.
Welcome LEGO fans and welcome to every Harry Potter fan. Take a seat on the toilets and cheers with a Polyjuice glass of beer. This set 76386 is the Polyjuice Potion Mystic from the Chamber of Secret movie, released by LEGO in July 2021. I share with you 5 reasons why I believe this little thing is one of the best sets ever produced by LEGO in the wizarding world so far in 2022. Feel free to comment why you agree or not at all. Reason 1. It covers a very large audience and touch every heart that likes Potter universe. It could be a new fan of books or movie, your own kids, not necessarily Brick fan, but sure a Potter fan. Of course, as a parent, you will be very happy with the price point, or obviously you're a big fan of Harry Potter because you're a nail and collector. Reason 2. Exclusive minifigures. If you were so tired to have the heroes figs again and again, this time you have 2 brand new ones with Vincent Crabbe and Gregory Goyle that have been wanted for a very long time. Hardcore collectors will immediately notice 2 new faces for Harry and Ron as well. Both are making a face when they are drinking the green Polyjuice beverage. You get 3 torsos with Slytherin patterns, only seen on Draco Malfoy from the very expensive Diagon Alley set or in the Flying Lesson set. And of course, you remember what happened to the unfortunate Hermione, who ends with the cat's head. They also reused the Butterbean mold with green color this time. The real bonus is the Harry Golden Fig you find in the 20th anniversary wave of set. The first step to start a very expensive collection of the 9 golden figs. Reason 3 is about price. 4 figs for $20 or euro is quite fair now. So yes, it's worth it, and it shines with this new kind of golden Harry. It is 5 characters possible, 6 with the cat's head, a very smart twist to use double face printed, as LEGO often do now, to give 2 expressions to each minifigures, but here maybe for the first time they did 2 totally different faces. Reason 4. Mini modular system. Yes, it is a great integration into Hogwarts Castle Anniversary set, as known as mini modular set as well. I know this is a trap to trigger new purchases to others mini modular 20th anniversary Potter set. Come on LEGO, take my money, take my money! Reason 5. This is a self-sufficient set. Despite the poor inventory and a very limited piece count, it has everything inside to play with, to mimic the movie scene, to be displayed as part of the whole castle, and we really cannot complain about all these new minifigures. It is well designed with great colors. Grand and sand blue, golden taps, sinking white and the classic tan color for walls. Plus, some surprising detail for toilets and suitable accessory to prepare the potion. Just a few things a bit annoying. Bathroom is not symmetrical, which looks weird if accuracy to the movie is important for you. No roof at all. Non-articulated mini legs for minifigures. Stickers for mirror instead of a silver teal piece. And the classic ugly grey for pin connector to the other sets. Apart of these details, I know it's a mini, everything is great plus additional functionality simple and clever. Here you can actually open the door of the Chamber of Secret, and let's jump characters into. Oh, one more thing. The name of the set is really probably like the taste of the potion itself. Hogwarts Polyjuice Potion Mistake. Why not just Polyjuice Potion or Hermione Polyjuice? Time to wrap up. A lot of Harry Potter movie scenes are iconic, but in this one in particular, is it the first time they do something strictly forbidden. They play magic with a real spell and a real potion, and they take huge risks, but they feel so strong together. I think children can easily identify themselves to characters, and grown-ups, like us, can remember themselves how much they love this trio. I'm sure this set is a really big hit, and I bought a second one to make a symmetrical construction, a more consistent and accurate lavatory. So please subscribe if you're curious to discover this mode or this mock in an upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you don't know what to build, then start building!